something in the chat. We'll try to answer that chat also. Yes, what he has mentioned is we have to make things lighter, but having more strength than steel in vehicles. Absolutely correct. Got it? What he has mentioned now, you see, again, it's a requirement. These things must be stronger. Got it? And at the same time, it must be lighter also. Very good. So again, you can say this will give you some idea or some hint about the development of the new product, in what direction you need to think. Manthan, it's good. Now, can you give some more ideas? So that, okay, we'll think about, we can discuss about it. In the next lecture, see, I'm going to start with the different stages of the product life cycle, and then how we can identify the needs of the opportunity, needs for developing the new product based on the stage in which the current product is. Got it? So that we'll be studying in our next class. It will be also an interesting session, so don't miss that session. Let us discuss few more ideas. Yes. There, how many students are there? 27 students are there. Okay. Anyone has not faced any problem or don't want to design something? Three ideas are good, which are shared by the students. Yes. Anyway, now I'll raise an issue and you tell me about how to solve this. Okay, let us see. Can you get some hint from this? Nowadays the queue at the toll booth has reduced because of the FASTag. As FASTag has been introduced, okay, there is a less queue at the toll booth. Earlier there was more queue because a lot of activities were there. That he has to note down your number, then he used to collect some cash, again some change problem, then he has to refund you. Is it not? Now FASTag has solved most of these problems, and it has reduced the queue. Now what do you think about the queue at the cash counter in the mall, especially in the peak period, maybe in the holidays? Yes. What is Saurabh has mentioned, chairs should have pedal to exercise. Very good idea. See, most of the time, the officers, or maybe you can say when your work is there that you have to sit on the chair. But while sitting on the chair also you want to exercise. Saurabh, it's a good idea. See, all of you now have started giving very good ideas. Darshan, what is Darshan is saying? Design of wallet should be changed. It should be thinner. Very good. See, now yes, the students are coming with very good ideas. Okay, yes, start now. Yes, first Neil has mentioned, then Harsh also has mentioned. Okay, is good. Any other ideas? See, you need to discuss. Very good. All the ideas are excellent. But only Neil, Harsh, Manthan, Saurabh, and Darshan, only 5 students have given the ideas. Anyone else? See, everything is right. There is nothing right or wrong. Okay. So you should discuss. You should start thinking. That is very important. Yes. Well, Prapti has joined now. Any idea? It should not happen that, okay, I am delivering only and you are simply listening. You should respond. I should understand whether have you understood what is the objective behind this course. If the objective is clear, okay, your activities will be accordingly in line with the expectation. Yes. I've written all those ideas which the students have mentioned. We'll have maybe a discussion on that in the next sessions. Few more students, I want them also to contribute. Shall I ask one by one? Like we used to ask in the class. See, I'll share another problem which I have faced. See, every problem is an opportunity. I'm not expecting that you should talk about the product at this stage. I'm expecting that you should discuss about the problems. Product will be developed based on it, if you know the problems. So discuss about the problems. Don't focus on the product. I think you're not getting the answers because you are thinking about what product should I develop. Don't do that at this stage. At this stage, I want you to share the problems that you have faced. Okay, maybe in the further classes, we'll think how the problem is to be resolved and product is to be developed. Are you getting? So you can mention the problems that you have faced in the chat box. One of the problem I will again share. Maybe in the morning breakfast, if I want to use bread and the butter you store in the refrigerator, and it becomes too, we can say, tough and too strong. I cannot easily remove it with a knife. I have to wait for some time till it becomes soft, and then I have to use it. Is it? So instead, if I have a knife which can heat that butter, I think I easily use it immediately. Heated knife, good. Harsh has given the answer to this. So mention problems, good. Can make knife which can heat, good. And infrared thermometer, okay, Pritham has given one example. Okay, heat itself, knife which can heat itself, very good. Saurabh again has given what? Infrared thermometer, biometric scanner that an employee can make the attendance. Very good. See, multi-purpose. Your attendance will be there. At the same time, your health also will be checked. No need to have a separate, you can say, record of attendance. Especially in the COVID period, you cannot touch the paper, you cannot sign on it. So whatever the infrared thermometer reading is there, can be connected with biometric. Very good, Saurabh. Okay. Rhythm also is given. Yes, we have to develop the knife which can hit. Very good. Okay, what Shreyash is saying, glass of spectacle should be flexible and fold easily. Very good. Very good. Now all of you have now, yes, contributing. Shreyash has also given the solution. Foldable glass. Okay, very good. Flexible. Okay. Yes. I want few more. All students should give at least, again I repeat, please do not focus on the product. Even if you mention the problem that you have faced, it is okay. We'll think how to develop the product based on it. Okay, so everyone is contributing. Very good. Yes. If you have a problem, Adesh has joined. Yes, you can mention the problems. We'll see how to solve those problems by designing the product. Okay, I think one more student, Manthan, has given another solution. What Manthan is saying, there is a large problem regarding electric vehicles in the infrastructure in India. I'll read what Manthan has. There is a large problem regarding electric vehicles that the infrastructure is not that strong in India to completely rely on EVs. Yes, it's very good. What Manthan is saying, yes, we wanted to use electric vehicles, but problem is that there is no infrastructure ready. Okay, good. It's a problem. Now we'll see how to solve. Yes, I think Nihal Ahmed also has mentioned. Okay, problem. Nihal Ahmed has mentioned that sewage waste is a problem. Yes, how to deal with the sewage waste. You see, nowadays there is a concept that you should not consume more water. With whatever water you are having, you can reuse it. Okay, it's good. Nihal is saying there's a problem of sewage waste. Pritham also has mentioned something. See, with respect to sewage waste, I'll just share one you can say an idea. In fact, it was discussed at IIT level. Whenever we use that commode for flushing, okay, there's a lot of water that is used. No doubt, we want to keep it clean. But now there was some research work was done on the nozzle size of that commode ring, and by changing the nozzle size, what we have developed as a new product, commode ring. And what we have changed in the commode ring is the size of the nozzle. And once the nozzle size is changed, okay, with the very little water, we can have have the same effect. Okay, so that it's good. Pritam has mentioned biometric. Have to touch your finger that can spread COVID, so that thermoscan plus retina. Yes, good. Thermoscan retina. Okay, very good. Again, I'll read. Vijay has also mentioned something. What Vijay is saying, in gym, there are treadmills which works on motor. Instead of that, if we design the treadmill which works only on the bearings, very good idea. Okay, see, now you are coming. This batch is excellent. Okay, because in the first lecture itself, you are coming out with all these different ideas. Good. Instead of using motor, what he is suggesting is that we should have some bearings. Okay, very good. Vinayak also has mentioned something. What Vinayak is saying is that chair should have rocker bogie mechanism for handicapped person. See, all ideas are excellent. Okay. Again, Saurabh also has another idea. Saurabh is sharing. Very good. What he's saying is that magnetic cables to avoid entanglement. Yes, very good. Especially it happens when the cable is long and then we use it. Magnetic cable, Saurabh is saying yes. To avoid entanglement, yes. What about others? It's good. You are thinking. Again, I repeat, again, I request, if you are not getting an idea about the product, don't worry about it. You mention here the problem that you have faced. Together as a class, we will discuss what product we need to develop to solve that problem. Is it clear? I'm not expecting on the day one that yes, you should tell that this is a product, so we need to develop. Try to understand. If you can have the idea of the product which can solve the problem, very good. But otherwise also, if you know the problem that is faced, it is sufficient. Got it? So if you know the problems that you or your friends or anyone nearby has faced, you can mention that also, so that we can think on it. As that Nihal Ahmed already mentioned, that ways to treat the sewage waste. That is a problem. So we can mention the problem also, or we can mention the product to solve the problem. Anything will do. Because we are not going to discuss more about the product at this stage. At this stage, we have to discuss more about the problems and, if possible, the solution of the same, because it's the first lecture. I already prepared one video of this lecture, pre-video. Now, we already attended the lecture, no problem. But for next lecture also, I'm going to share that link of the pre-video lecture. Please see that pre-video lecture video. Yes. Anyone else wants to contribute? Shivtej is there. Snigdha is there. Krishnakant is there. Aditya is also there. Yes, one more solution. I have one solution on it. If our government takes a part in EV development, so we develop a station where we only have to go and rent a bike in a cheap rate and go wherever we go, and your battery discharge costs, so park that bike and next station take another one. Okay, that is one way to solve the problem. Yes, Manthan is giving one way to solve the problem. Okay, we'll discussion on this, and there may be a number of ways to solve the issue. One of the solution is discussed by the Manthan. Okay, good. You see, electric vehicle is, you can say, is going to increase exponentially in the coming days. So one can focus on this also, as the issue has already been raised. Okay, or else don't change your bike, change the batteries. Yes, Harsh is saying that instead of changing batteries, you can change the instead of changing bike, you can change the batteries also. Good. Discussion should take place. Good. Charging points on every petrol pump for electric vehicles. Good, because already there is a network. Now Akash has also has added one solution to that. That whatever the petrol pumps are there, because they are large in number, now they can have this facility of charging point for electric vehicles also. Good. Okay, Siddhant. Okay, you see, at this point of time, we'll encourage more and more number of ideas. Some ideas maybe you can say have certain limitations. We'll see how to overcome that. But let us not discourage anyone from generating the ideas. It's good, very good. Okay, mobility in charging point. Yes, that is what the KU also has mentioned. You see, a lot of students now are contributing. I'll give some plus marks to all this, even if there is one, either they have stated the problem or they have stated the Siddhant is saying, yes, there is a problem associated with the charging point, may be expensive. Okay, no problem. He will also get some points. Solar array to the bike to self charge. Yes, now Shreyas also is now saying, see, good.